The Chartered Project Professional Standard is a benchmark that recognises the achievement of a defined level of technical knowledge, professional practice, and ethical behaviour. Our Chartered Project Professionals span a range of sectors, ages, and career stages, from organisations big and small, and have the choice to sit on the public register of Chartered Project Professionals. Becoming a Chartered Project Professional not only shows you've achieved the highest standard of expertise, but you've also proven your exceptional project capabilities. If you're successful, you'll also be able to use the post-nominals ChPP after your name, giving you the recognition you deserve and a competitive advantage in the job market. If you think you're ready to apply to become a Chartered Project Professional, you'll need to tick the following boxes. You're professionally active with a proven track record of delivering projects, programs, portfolios, or a key control or enabling function which show characteristics of complexity. You have the required breadth of project experience to meet the requirements of the standard. You have an advanced technical knowledge and can confidently evaluate and analyse theory of current practices and methods. You're committed to continuing professional development and an ethical way of working. You can find out what we mean by professionally active on our website. You also don't need to be one of our members to apply. The application process is designed to be as inclusive as possible, with 3 possible routes to follow based on your qualifications, previous assessments, and experience. The same requirements for technical knowledge and professional practice apply to everyone, but they're assessed in different ways. Each route follows a 2-stage process. You can find out more about this in the Chartered Application Guidance Notes on our website. If you have a recognised assessment for technical knowledge, you'll apply through Route 1. If you have a recognised assessment for technical knowledge and professional practice, you'll apply through Route 2. And if you don't hold a recognised assessment but meet the eligibility criteria, you'll apply through Route 3. A recognised assessment is awarded to an organisation who can show that a particular development programme or qualification meets either the technical knowledge or the technical knowledge and professional practice criteria needed to achieve the standard. You'll find a full breakdown of recognised assessments on our website. ChPP is more than a standard. It's an inclusive community of like-minded professionals who want to excel at delivering projects. For many, it's not the end of their development, but the start of a new chapter. It sets the highest standard for our profession, and we believe that the future of our profession and the wider world depends on it. Because when projects succeed, society benefits. Start your application today. Visit apm.org.uk/chartered.